Hey, you guys, I have this adorable, easy DIY. Look at how cute this is. Now, I made this little crown for my marshmallow cup, and it's going to be a little bunny crown. So, I'm going to show you really quick how I made this. It's super easy. You're going to love it. And you can make this little crown for anything you have for your decoration. This is going to go on my two-tier tray. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use ribbon. I'm going to measure it. I measured it to the head of the marshmallow. And I'm going to go ahead and use a thin one. I decided to use a thin ribbon because it actually looks better on the marshmallow. Now I'm going to go ahead and use these little mini roses that I picked up on Amazon. Go ahead and check out your Amazon. They come in different colors and you get a ton of them for like $9 or $6. I'm going to use my wire cutters. My hot glue gun is running. And all I'm going to do is clip a couple of them. I'm going to actually end up putting 5 on the crown because I decided that 5 was a good number. You can go all the way around. It's optional. It's up to you. But I'm going to use 5 of them. So I'm going to start in the middle of the ribbon and I'm going to use a little amount of glue. Don't go overboard because you will glue it to the board. So just a little amount of glue. Glue it in the middle of the ribbon and let's keep going. And look at how easy that was. Now, if you want to take off the green leaf, go ahead. It's optional, but I'm going to go ahead and leave it on. I thought it looked very pretty when I was done. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and go ahead and follow me on Instagram. The link is down below. So just make sure when you put the roses on there that you put them really close together because when you put on the crown, it's going to pull them apart a little bit. So the closer, the better it's going to look. Just a little dot of glue goes a long way. So you can go ahead and use any type of glue you want. But I found out that the hot glue really works really well on this kind of ribbon. Now the ribbon I picked up at the thrift store. Go ahead and use any ribbon you have so you won't have to spend any money on your ribbon. But look at how cute that is. Now, I use the yellow because I'm going to go ahead and use it in the summer. I thought it would be a great idea. And look at how cute this little marshmallow cup is. It's going to go right onto the marshmallow's head. Look at how adorable. This is going to look great on my two-tier tray. And it's going to be perfect for the summer when I put up my lemons and everything that is summery. It's going to look really cute under. Now I'm going to go ahead and close it up with the hot glue gun. It does not damage the cups. They are ceramic. I'm going to add a little bit of glue on the back. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and make sure you pull it as tight as you can so the crown will not slip on the marshmallow's head or anywhere you're putting it. You could put this on a cup, on anything you have for decoration, just to, give it a little color for your tray, change it up for the summer. I thought this was cute. This is also a great Easter color. So go ahead and pick your favorite color and go ahead and make a little crown for something and just change it up. It's going to look very cute when you're done. It's a super easy DIY. You cannot go wrong with this. It's super easy to make and you could just change it up whenever you want to change up the colors. And just like that, my little marshmallow has a crown. Now I'm going to go ahead and make another one for this little guy. All I'm going to do is the same steps. I'm going to measure my ribbon. I'm going to cut it the same size and I'm going to use the same thing. So for this one, I'm going to go ahead and change up the colors. I kind of want to play around with different colors and see what looks best. I also have them in white. When I ordered the roses, I ordered them in different colors. I have them in red, which is so adorable. The red is so cute. I have them in blue, yellow, white, and pink. So I'm going to go ahead and make it 2 different colors. The first one is going to be the red and the white, and this is going to be perfect for Valentine's right now. So I'm gonna do the same exact steps, and look at how adorable this is gonna end up. I'm gonna go ahead and do the white and the red for Valentine's. So that's gonna be perfect. Just a little bit of glue goes a long way. And you're gonna add it as close as you can to the next flower. And that's the same steps. Now you could go ahead and add more roses if you want. And you could take the crown all the way around. It's optional, but I decided that this is gonna look really cute and it's gonna stand out when I'm ready to put my two-tier tray together. The closer the better it's gonna look, trust me. Go ahead and add a little bit of more glue. If it moves, just go ahead and add the glue right onto the ribbon. And look at how adorable that little crown came out. This is going to be perfect for Valentine's since we are in Valentine's right now. And look at how cute this little marshmallow guy. This is a set that I brought. I brought 4 of them. And look at how adorable the crown is going to go right onto the cup. Look at how cute. And that's going to be perfect for Valentine's. You can also go ahead and make it in pink. You can make it in all white. You can make it in different colors. It's optional. I'm going to add it to this one. The same steps. And here it is. The crown is adorable and it's going to look cute. This is going to be for Valentine's. Look at how cute these are. These are very cute to make, very simple, and you could decorate anything, and that's how fast you can change it up and just make it work to your decor piece. Now on the other one, I added an all pink one, and then I decided to go ahead and make this one, and this is going to be red, white, and blue. So this is going to be perfect for the 4th of July. I'm just going to make a ton of them and have them ready so when I want to display my stuff. Look at how cute that is. That is perfect for Easter and that is perfect for Valentine's. So yeah, look at the little bunny I made here. You guys, it was so easy to make the bunny. I'm going to go ahead and show you the steps because it was super easy to make the bunny. All you do is grab some cardstock paper or construction paper, any type of paper you have just to make the ears. Go ahead and shape them to like little bunny ears. Look at, that's all I did. I grabbed and then I added a little glue in the middle to the glitter paper. That's all I did. I glued it down. I shaped the little ears. And then what I did was I added a little glue and just tucked them in behind the crown. That's how simple I did the bunny ears. Go ahead and play with that. Make them in pink, make them in white, make them in blue. And they hold on pretty well. A little glue down in there and that's it. That's how simple it was to make the bunny ears. I hope you guys make it. I hope you decorate for your Easter, for your Valentine's, for every occasion. It's super easy to make. And if you do, take a picture and tag me on it on Instagram. The link is down below. I would love to see what you came up with. But look at how cute this is. This is going to be so cute for the summer, for every holiday. You can also even make it in all red and that'll be perfect for Christmas. So yeah, go ahead and make a couple of them, switch it up, and then let me know how you made them. Look at how cute that is. And your decor piece is going to be ready. And until next time, bye you guys. Look at how adorable they look. They are so cute.